Hi guys, for a fourth review of the knife, Victorinox 8-inch chef's knife. So this is best bang for the buck. If you're looking for something that's inexpensive and very efficient knife, this is the knife for you. They cost around $55 on Amazon, and if you look real hard on online, then you might be able to find around like 30 or 40 too. These are very versatile. If you see this handle here, it's made of plastic. Well, it looks like plastic, but it's not a plastic. This has been processed, and they're great for non-slip grip. And if you go to like restaurants or cleaner schools, so many cooks or aspirant cooks and people who want to be chefs will use this knife because these are really good, but also very inexpensive, as I said. So their former name was Forschner, but then they changed to Victorinox. Of course, the company which produces this knife changed license and stuff. So if you're looking at other knife reviews and hear Forschner knives, then maybe they're probably referring to this Victorinox knife. So enough of talking, let's go get something to cut, okay? Okay, so that was it for our Victorinox 8-inch chef's knife, and I'll see you again with our 5th and 6th and even 7th knife reviews. Stay tuned.